What up, guys? Ed the Enthusiast here, back with another video. Welcome back to the channel. If y'all new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel. But today's video is about my exhaust that came in. Most anticipated mod for my car, and I finally got it. So now, let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Bam! There it go. Borla Exhaust. Now to me, I believe this is the best exhaust for the Kia Stinger. Out of all the exhausts out there, the Borla exhaust is the best for the Kia Stinger. Now, I have some Ark Downpipes which would enhance the sound even more paired with this Borla exhaust. So I am ready to get this installed. I will get it installed this weekend. So with that being said, I will see y'all on install day. All right, guys, today is that day. It's install day. So I'm about to head to my boy Raymond's, get this thing installed. It's right here in the back, ready to go. So I'm about to head on over there and get this thing installed. All right, guys, just got to my boy Raymond's. We're gonna let the car cool down some before we start. Got the exhaust over here. So here goes some of the parts, instructions. I'm about to take it out. Packaging is real good, so that's a good thing. But I'm about to take it out of the box and lay it out and get it ready. I got the X pipe. Look through, see the hole where it flows through. See the hole that flows through, and it goes to the other side. So it's like flows through here, cuts through, goes over there. And on this side, same thing, cuts through, and it goes through that side. All right, got it all out the box. You got your brackets, mufflers, X pipe, and the mid pipes. So we just got the old exhaust off. It's the old muffler. Ooh, they look ugly. Well, compared to the Borla. Out with the old, in with the new. All right, guys, just made it back home. Now you see why I chose the Borla Exhaust. Did you hear that? This just sounds so good. But other than that, y'all stay tuned for my next video, and I'll see y'all on the next one.